Hi friends, I am Adilakshmi. Today I am going to speak about the importance of respecting parents and word, basing how it is beneficial in your future. Basing on this, I want to explain a small story. There was a boy, Ashish. He was studying engineering. He was very skillful and talented, but he was careless about some things like about his surroundings or some other things. For example, he has a habit of he had a habit of wasting water and wasting electricity. Some situations like when he was while he was brushing, he leave the water, he let the water running throughout the brushing, and even bathing time also. And next, if you want to play outside, then he won't switch off the fans and lights in the hall, and he won't switch on the TV, and he'll leave the fans like that, and he'll go out for playing. One day father got angry and decided to change him and shouted. How many times I should say, Ashish, you have to, why you are so careless about the things? When you are going out, you check what you are supposed to do. You have to switch off all the lights and fans and don't waste water and electricity. Like this, he used to guide him whenever it is possible. But at the time, Ashish used to feel bad because why my father is always rude at me and he is always shouting me. I'm really, it's not, I don't like my father. Like that, he used to feel. But the days were passed like that only. But because he was a grown up child, that's why father is guiding. So, as the days were passed and he completed his engineering and he was searching for jobs. Then, at some time after some days, he got a call letter from a prestigious company. Then he attended the interview. While he attended in the entrance only, he observed a beautiful garden with colorful flowers. But there was a water pipe which is kept outside the plants, and the water is running. He moved ahead, but father's words struck his mind. And immediately, though he felt bad, but the father's words have very good impact on him. And immediately he bent and he took the water pipe and he kept in the plants and turned off the tap. Again, near the door, he could see some chappal thrown here and there, foot mat was thrown out in a zigzag order because father explained the orderliness. Then immediately he kept, though it is not his duty, but he kept all the foot mat in the proper order and he kept all the shoes in the order. He stepped inside. It was a big hall, a number of chairs, so many fans were running, but no one was there. Then he waited there for 5 minutes, thinking that some other candidates will come, but nobody turned up. Then he thought this is not the correct room, and immediately he has a habit of switching off fans and lights. No? Again, the same thing he did there also, and again he entered. Finally, there he could see so many candidates waiting for the job. And then he seated beside a window. Suddenly, a strong wind blew inside the room, and all the white papers kept on the table were spread around the room. Nobody was bothering about. All the candidates were busy in their work. Some were stamping on the white papers and they were going. But Ashish took up and stood and picked up all the papers kept on the table and with paper weight. Finally, his turn came to enter into director's chamber. The minute he entered the director's chamber, the director received with a smile and said, Ashish, you are selected as general manager of my company. He was stunned. Ashish was stunned. How was it possible? Ria, you did not check my certificates. You did not You did not speak any word with me. Then the director told, we arranged CC cameras, and from the minute you entered the campus, we are observing the behavior of the candidates because we want not only administrator, we want the person who is accountable to the company, who can take care of the company. That's we want that type of person we are searching, and you are selected today. So all the best, he told, and after that immediately he recollected his father's words. He felt very happy. So my dear children, through this what I am going to remind you, for parents will say so many things for the good of you only because they have experience. If they say anything to you, you have to accept. In turn, you don't react in a bad way. So, because they are the gift, precious gifts given by God. Because they are the persons who will feel really happy if any other persons appreciate you. That is the real gift you are going to give them. Not on Father's Day or Mother's Day, some other thing or toy you can buy and give. So, my dear children, parents are the persons who brought to this world, who brought us to this world, because of whom we are enjoying all these facilities. It's our duty, bound in duty, to respect them, to obey them. By seeing that, you can understand definitely our life will be happy. Because, my dear children, respect your parents, not only parents, elders also, take care of them, your life will be happy. Thank you.